Yeah, you can see them now. So they're dry, and I can just about see where I need to cut, but I shall do it. That looks okay. Sometimes things look fabulous, and sometimes they look okay. That one got an okay. And that looks okay too. Now I am going to shade. I'm just going to put a little bit of black in the gray. Just a drop. Get my palette knife and mix it together. I want it to be a darker gray, and I think that's good. Make a puddle. So I am going to use the 8 flat, and this will be floating. So remember, just the corner. Going to work it out, and then I'm going to come and I can just about see that line that I made. Oh yeah. Can you see? Oh yeah, that now is perfect. Let's make this one perfect. And that looks good too. Okay, one's a little bit bigger than the other. That's perfect. The buckets are going to go here and here, there and there. And they are going to have flowers coming out of them. Let me show you the flowers. So for this I need my cutting mat, and you see the line, you see the shading line. I am going to take my cutter and away from the edge, because I just want a slit in there. There, it just has a slit. And this one too. Here are the flowers. I got these at Hobby Lobby. I do like them. They caught my eye. That is when I had another brainstorm when I saw them. I want to put a little bit of red on that light over here. True Red by Deco Art. So I want to put that little tail light in red. A smidgen applied with a very, very small tipped brush. This is a round. It's a 1. And you know what? I'm going to shake this. I am going to take my color from the inside cover. Perfect. And if you will recall, there was a light over here, and I covered it over. I'm looking at my pattern, and it was over here. Guess what? I'm going to cheat again since I got this right here. I can find a perfect size for the headlight. Perfect. Now I shall get a bright yellow. Deco Art cadmium yellow. Once again, I am going to take it from the cover. Sometimes you can do that if you just need a little bit, and you don't have to mix it or use it as a shading color. This is going to need 2 coats. As a matter of fact, it seems very watery. Now, if that happens, you can get a paper towel and just go right down straight and just blot it, lift it, and it is better. Very good. Or do I want it bigger? I don't know. Once again, a little bit of water. I can wipe it off. See how that came off? Because I have that sealer on there. I think I want it a little bit bigger. Yeah, try that one. Yeah, I think I like a little bit bigger headlight better. That is going to need to dry. And I am looking at my turquoise over here, and I can see, and it's because there's a lot of stress right there that the, you can see the light. So I'm going to fix that. I am going to fix it. Now, I need to put these on. It's going to go up, and that is going to go there. And I just covered up my tail light. Well, that's good, Annie. Let's put that one there. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to make this shorter. There. Perfecto mundo. Now, I am going to glue these. Well, am I? I don't know. I am going to glue these down, but just on the bottom, because I have to stick these flowers in there, and they do have stems, so it should be all right. Beacon Tacky Glue. Is there any more in here? I can't believe I used up the whole thing. Unbelievable. I had some Aleene's Tacky Glue in my stash, and they do have tacky glue at DollarTree, but not this style. It's in a small bottle. Once again, always buy the small bottle. Alright, so it's very tacky. Okay. I am just going to put it down here on the bottom. Put that one right there. And this one, well, the flowers are going to be covering it, but that's okay. If you ever find these Q-tips that just have like the pointy point, they're really good when doing this sort of stuff. Usually you can find them like in the makeup area. Alright, got that done. And put that there. Yeah. Fold it down. Just going to leave that. Now I have to concentrate on the people in my window. So, oh my word, I found the perfect picture. Both girls are like connected. I could cut it out on one, one thing. I didn't have to overlap them. How perfect is that? It's like they're looking out the window. Oh my word. Okay. I can glue that in there. You certainly don't have to have anything in your window, but if you can get someone in there, why not, right? Oh, oh, oh. Even though that happened, I'm okay with it. I will go in and put some turquoise in there. I just don't know where it is right now. That is amazing.